Do you want to learn about affiliate marketing? In this video, I want to share with you the 5 different levels on how you can progress yourself from being just any other affiliate to becoming a super affiliate. Now, just to give all of you an idea, I'm a 2 Comma Club member in ClickFunnels, and I've done over, have my own affiliate system where I've actually built this up, and I've done over $63,000 on ClickFunnels, and I also have multiple streams of income that I've created through affiliate marketing. Done well over a couple of crores in affiliate marketing alone in the last 3 years by promoting other people's products. Now, the way that I do affiliate marketing is slightly different from how other people do it, because I've learned from a mentor who does $1 million per month in affiliate marketing. So this is going to be a very important video, especially if you're somebody who wants to learn what are the 5 different levels of affiliates so that you know where exactly you stand. And if you want to be a super affiliate, you got to understand these principles. So grab your notepads, pens and papers, and let's dive in. And let's understand on how you can become a super affiliate by implementing and understanding these 5 different levels. Siddharth Rajshekar here. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. And I want to first of all thank you for watching this video. And please, I hope you have your notepads, pens and papers ready, because this concept that I'm going to share with you can change the game for you. See, because affiliate marketing is a very lucrative business model, but most people fail in this because they don't understand how to approach it. They take this very spamming kind of approach. They just go to take the affiliate link and they share it all over the place, and it kind of messes up, the marketplace. And also they don't get results. Like, I've done this. The reason I'm telling you this is because I've done this for many years before, until I understood the formula on how I was able to crack the code. And the cracking the code happened after I surrendered to my mentor, who taught me exactly how to do it. Okay. So affiliate marketing is a great business model. Anywhere where you're selling other people's products, whether it's affiliate marketing or it's network marketing, or you're selling insurance, or if you're selling real estate also, pretty much the similar principles are going to be applicable even to you if you're watching this from any one of those 4 industries. But I'll keep it more lean towards affiliate marketing because we are in the digital space. And there are so many things that you can actually promote and create commissions with, but the approach needs to be very different if you want to get results. Okay, so let's look at the first level, and I'll come to level number 5, which is the ultimate level. Okay, so the first level of affiliate marketing is niche blogs. Okay, so all of you might have seen this concept of where you do keyword research, you find out what is the topic that people are really searching for, and then you write a lot of articles around that, and you start building momentum over niche blogs. So the thing with a niche blog is there is no personality behind it. It's only based on a concept. So if somebody's searching for gadget reviews, you write a lot of articles around gadget reviews. And then it becomes very competitive space over a period of time, because when many people are building their own niche blogs, they're just competing now on content, they're competing on keyword, they're competing on how long the article can be and how valuable the article can be. So it's a game which I would still call as a level 1 game. Now, there are people who are making a lot of money through this. There's no doubts about it, but it is still a level 1 game considering where we are moving in the next decade. Okay, so you'll understand what I'm saying when we come to level number 5. The second level is personal branded site. So rather than you just going as an impersonal thing, you go with your persona. So for example, there are, if you're building your influence online, you're building your community and stuff online, then imagine you have your branded website, yourname.com, and whatever you recommend on that, people will go and buy. So when there is a personal recommendation coming into your marketing, it becomes even more potent as compared to just being a niche blog. Niche blogs work well, but now if you see Google and the search engines, how they're actually ranking is they're looking for people who are adding more value than just textual content, who are having influence in other places than just being behind the screen. So even video content matters a lot, and YouTube is also one of those channels. So going with a personal branded site where personal recommendations coming in is one level above being impersonal and just writing articles being unknown. Okay, the third level to be successful is membership sites. Okay, so creating maybe your own Teachable account and you having your own membership site, and this is where I've succeeded a lot in my affiliate marketing game, because I would create my courses, and when people would go through my courses, through the courses I would offer them different affiliate links which is relevant to that course. So even if you're into Say network marketing also, you can apply the same thing over here. So you create your own course first, and from there you bridge it into your affiliate links or your other programs that you want to bring them into. So I have many people from other companies like Herbalife, Vestige, Amway and all. They're following my methodology, but they're building their own membership site, and through the membership site they're able to attract better quality customers. So one is they're creating a cash flow by promoting their own products. Two is they're establishing their leadership first by being an authority in the marketplace, and then when they recommend their product, they stand out from the crowd, because everybody else is just directly saying that this company is the best, or that company is the best, or this tool is the best. But here there's a layer of education coming before them promoting the affiliate link, and this is what has actually helped me achieve those kind of results and those kind of numbers in my affiliate marketing business. I would never directly promote anything until I have some layer of education. Okay, so having your own membership site is level number 3. So level number 4 is better than this, and I've just started to shift gears into this mode, which is a dynamic marketing system. Okay, so dynamic marketing system is having like a system where you can get other affiliates to promote your product as well, and when people promote your product, then you have other affiliate income streams built into it. So for example, I have an affiliate marketing system built for my own courses right now. Okay, now just to give you all of an idea, this is a view of my dynamic marketing system. Okay, so I have my own affiliate system. This is a test account over here, but you can see here people can just go and generate a URL. So I have my own community, Internet Lifestyle Hubs. They can just generate their own affiliate link, and then as people promote my affiliate link, then they're able to make commissions. So they can actually see all their referrals and the payouts and their income earnings, direct earnings, unpaid earnings, how much have I made, all of that stuff. Okay, so there's a whole bunch of stuff that's covered over here. This is my own dynamic marketing system where I'm able to help people create a link for themselves where they can promote my products. Okay, so it's a very beautiful way for me to create more leverage. I'm able to generate a lot more leads than ever before, and by leveraging other people's efforts. So this is level 4, which is it's like a very straightforward me offering a marketing affiliate program for somebody else, you offering an affiliate program for somebody else. But the super duper affiliates, like my mentor, what he does is he has created his own platform based business model. Okay, so I'm still in the progress of evolving it to that stage. I'm probably at 80% of what it is. So platform-based business model is where I can also hard code other multiple streams of income into my platform. Okay, so for example, if anyone, if I recommend anyone to my mentor's course, if anyone buys any affiliate tools inside that course, that also gets coded back to me. Okay. So right now my model is still not there yet, but I'm at stage number 4 right now. Okay, so I hope all of you realize that when you're able to create a platform, I still have a platform also. I would still call it a platform-based business model, but it's not happening at all levels. I have coded it into 3 levels of my courses. So I have like a level 1, a level 2, and a level 3 course. My level 3 course is at 1 lakh rupees. And if anyone is my affiliate, I give them 30% commission. So they actually get 30,000 rupees per sale. Okay, and that is what I'm actually giving out, and that's built into my platform-based model. So I have coded into 3 levels of commissions, but my mentor has coded into at least 100 different income streams. Okay, in fact, if you would like to know more about where I learned about affiliate marketing at a level which is unimaginable, you can go to this link. Okay, you can go to sids.co/4%. Okay, I'll just make this as a link here. You can see here, sids.co/4%, and just set up a free account over there. You'll realize that is actually a dynamic, that is like level number 5. It is a platform-based model, which is purely for affiliate marketers. In fact, inside there's also a course there called Affiliate Marketing Mastery Course, AMA, and that's like the ultimate course where I learned affiliate marketing. Okay, so I've adapted some of those trainings over there, and I've adapted it for India, and then I have created my own methodology right now, which is more course-based model. But there you'll learn about some of the finer details of affiliate tracking, link tracking, funnel building for affiliate marketing, and so on. But ultimately, it is to build your own platform. Okay, so just to recap, if you want to become a super affiliate, you got to start thinking in terms of platform-based model. Level number 1 is niche blogs, which thousands of people are doing this, and you'll just be one among the crowd. Better than that, is to build your own personal branded site. So there'll be some personal touch. Number 3 is to build membership sites, which is like a teachable site, and that's how I started off on the journey to get my initial bit of results. Now I'm at level number 4, creating my own dynamic tracking system for my own products. But ultimately, it's to build your own platform-based model. Now, to get to level 4 and level 5, it'll take you some time. It's not going to happen overnight. But the key here is for you to be in the game. The key here is for you to understand that this is not just about sharing your affiliate links and spamming it out of the place. You want to become a super affiliate, you have to create a community. You have to be a leader. You cannot be a spammer. You have to be a leader. You have to direct the crowd. And another important thing is, don't promote anything which you have not used yourself. Okay, this is my thumb rule to all my students. You can only promote, you can only get results when you have the moral authority to promote it. So if I promote any tool, if you look at even in my resources page on my website and stuff, every single tool over there I have used and I've got results from it. So when you have used a tool or used a course or been through a course and then you promote it, it gives you the power to promote at a subconscious level, and you'll automatically make more money as an affiliate. And there's a big challenge that many people are facing in the industry right now is they just go and promote something just because they can make more commissions out of it. They don't own it, they don't understand about it, and they don't even use it, and they just want to make money and they just keep scratching the ends. They don't create any kind of results. So it has to be from a point of you using it before you promote it. So I hope you found this particular video useful. If you want to be a part of my community, I want to personally welcome you. We have over 10,000 plus people all over the world who are a part of my community called the Internet Lifestyle Hub. I want to personally welcome you. There's a link in the description. You can go click on that and click on go to sids.co/join, and you can become a silver member of my community. Get started. I share a lot of insights and information over there which can actually help you grow. And more importantly, you can be a part of a revolution that we are creating. So this is not just for affiliate marketers, but even if you're a course creator, if you're a teacher, if you want to be a leader, this is the place where you can actually be can get all those insights. So thank you so much for watching this video. I would like to actually read your comments in the description below if you have any comments to share on what you felt about these 5 different levels, if this made sense to you or not. And even if you're a part of my community, please share your thoughts below. Would love to read them. Okay, before I leave, one thing I want to mention is please ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that bell button, and get notified on future videos like this. All the best.